Blend olive oil, fresh garlic, and add water to make it extra creaming. Yummy face. Add kosher salt, chili powder and massage your garlic oil in. Now it's ready to bake in the oven. Don't forget to add every drop of that delicious marinade. You're going to need it later. Preheat your stove to 400. Now slap those chickies in. Let's make some potato fries. Why am I cutting up garlic again? Force of habit, I guess. Anyways, oh my gosh, this one is rotten to the core. I'll just throw it out. I came up with this remedial way of cutting potatoes when my ex-girlfriend stole my favorite knife. Trust me, I can do better. Haha. These bad boys are almost done and ready to fry. Now let's check on our chickies. We can start the oil for our fries. Let's get it. Oil is hot and ready to go. No fear, no fear. Just drop it like it's hot. I mix and blend and squish because these bad boys will shrink while frying. I'm gonna flip these chickies and throw them back in the oven one more time to get them nice and brown. Now let's throw them in some hot sauce and sop them like a biscuit. I'm preparing to put them in the oven one last time on broil. Yes my friends, the broil setting helps to get that barbecue style look that we all know and love. Don't forget to drench those chickies with that last bit of marinade and hot sauce mix. I even added a little more to make sure they don't dry out. I mean, who likes dry hot wings? Not I. Now they're out the oven and looks ready, right? Not so fast. We need to take the last bit of this chicken oil and blend it in with some more hot sauce. Reintroduce sauce to chicken. Trust me on this. Do fries go with that shake? I don't know, but they are ready to eat. Let's drain the grease and finish up. A little bit of kosher salt and it's a done deal, folks. There you have it. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much.